stop, it don't stop, don't stop. Original rap.
Energy 108, the Mastermind Street Jam. Welcome to it. It's the Monday night edition of the Street Jam, and tonight it's another world-renowned Mastermind Straight Out the Box spectacular. New joints today if you're tuning in. Good thing. Today, new joints from the Large Professor, as well as Ras Kass. Shaheem's album is in here. We're going to play some tracks off his album. KRS-One and Mad Lion got a new joint, as well as Ice-T, Mobb Deep, Big Noyd, the Fab Five, Mike Geronimo. The list goes on and on. As well, we're taking your head check calls, as well as your requests at 777-0108. It's on you, baby. The Mastermind Street Jam, your favorite hip-hop connection is Akinelli and Sadat X featuring Yvette Michelle. New music, baby. The Mastermind Street Jam, baby.
Tunnel. Drinks for my people out, hang over the sequel. Sickness the first thought that you get when I mention New York is hot right now, bubbling with tension. Step lightly over these eastern shores playing midtown locations. Only people I know is tourists there on vacation. And the Bronx are well protected all the way to New Rochelle. In Manhattan I'm known as one of his own. Sometimes you can't squash the beef, you just might have to let it happen. Take the me first attitude, aim longitude and latitude. Life to me is still a popcorn love. I still saddle up with the True Blue Club. With no hesitation, in case some people think I'm out here slipping like lubrication. I be facing the illest grills like mascara. As they scheming, I be feeling like a fiend as if my first name was Sarah. You can't manage to damage me, that's just a fantasy. I'm ill like a fist full of George watching $10 bills, cause I do things single-handedly. On the streets I walk with iron like that sheik named Nikolai. Make you dead like the deceased, I kill beef like E. coli. You know my rap tactics is wild like straight jackets. I go at it every day like practice. I bring drama like actors. Plant seeds in my head until my brain goes cactus. My rap thoughts is just that sharp. I get super like Cupid and put one in your heart. It's the Ocknell, you know I rock well. I make a rapper take a L's like the Bard. As I float on notes like Bon Voyage, I get more paper than the bank teller. Akinelli, aka Acapella.
If there's a cure for being rich, I don't want it, I don't want it. If there's a cure for being broke, baby I need it, and I need it. That Michelle's my name. When it comes to cash, we divide it. Money is the sweetest hangover. I don't wanna get over. 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 If there's a cure for being rich, I don't want it, I don't want it. If there's a cure for being broke, baby I need it, and I need it. That Michelle's my name. When it comes to cash, we divide it.
Mastermind Street Jam.
The show you made number one.
Energy 108.
Like that. sliding, hiding. I would lock the door behind me, roll fat, tighten, thinking, mentally sinking, presently brinking, 2 decades and a half, rating a path of mine to follow. The world is hollow, yet it's full of crap, prepare to gamble. I give you half the tips and tips, what's to come, I cried a ton of tears, drunk a ton of beers, it's burning fears, but learn to persevere through odds of years, kept my ears open, eyes open, mouth locked. So rock the boat, if you can't swim, nobody may not be there with a limb to lend, this is the end, still I can't explain the fact, why one of gotta be like that, yo, like that, why it's gotta be know why like I said it, hear me clear and know it's so severe and dreaded, that they need to be beheaded, why, I'm readily, steadily, stimulating and mutilating all sloppily, copied imitations cause they're irritating, so I'm intimidating them over the snare, simply a stare, bringing them turbulent ever, and they know this cause they can feel it, he knew that it was mine till the sucker tried to steal it, so I had to reveal it, through proving that I am astonishing and flying by just winking my eye, in a flash I flush out the fakes, laying low key, trained eyes locate to focus on the phony, Mr. Some Tommy homie, why he act like that, thought he had my back, thought he had all backs, but it was him, who I should've never trusted, and not at least until he got his attitude adjusted, or mouth busted, for acting all dusted, but bust this now, when I'm out I seek and sort out the whole scene, for all sinister, type sneaks that scheme, they come into my face, I send them type men home, when they be suffering from the double agent syndrome, why it gotta be like that, yeah, like that, why it's gotta be like that, why it's gotta be like that. Sometimes this world means everything to me. The insight is lovely through these eyes I see. And sometimes in my mind all I wanna do is cry. Highly all said but nothing drops from my eye. No goes rain on my skin cause I'm pissed from within. I see a situation now and all I do is grin. People think I'm high but I'm mentally traveling. Aging us at times cause life's unraveling. While I'm straddling walls of this mic. I hate to be a pilot, crashing in the flight. The people need to know about this thing called the light. Cause you see the light, you didn't like so right. Say what? Why it's gotta be like that? Like that. Why it's gotta be like that? Like that. Why it's gotta be like that?
I jumped inside the Jeep as I embark on my dark mission. Popped in my freestyle tape, start reminiscing about my little homie who was raised in Wyoming, wanted to be famous. So we came to California on the microphone. Was super bad and would not, but he was the kind of fella to follow fast. I was hot. He became so fascinated with that gang-related flavor that he modified, rearranged his behavior. He hooked up quick with the influential slang. Gangster stroll, cornrows, a whole shebang. Bragging and boasting and bragging how we mostly be hanging with baby G's. I was bagging. Like why you tryna who ride up on the bandwagon? Hoping to hit him in the head, but he steady sagging. Like he a hog, creeping through the smog, smoking on some endo, sipping on a cup of old dog. Like most who come to this West Coast society, try to be because they think it's fly to be a menace. So what a relic way to end this. Got rolled up when he was strolling on a Sunday up at Venice. Was never listen. They gotta learn their lesson the hard way, I'm guessing. Yes, and BD as I hit the beady and make a right on Western. Pops in my head, the proverbial question. Like that, why it's gotta be like that? Like that, why it's gotta be like that? Like that, why it's gotta be like that? Like that, why it's gotta be like that?
Original heads from the ballhead to the dreads. I listen to the original DJ Mastermind. This is Madeline represent BDP crew. You know, the original hardest motherfuckers on earth. So you know what? Dropping it on the Canada crew. This is how we're going to do. Run the blood clot track.
Who is the DJ that's cutting it up? Bring it back, yo, bring it back. Who is the DJ that's cutting it up? Who is the DJ that's cutting it up? Who is the DJ that's cutting it up? Who is the DJ? Who is the DJ? Who is the DJ? Who is the DJ that's cutting it up? Bring it back, yo, bring it back. Mad Lion, KRS-One. Set it.
Act like you know I know, act like a star. Or else you're gonna give my gun up. Boy, you must be fool and crazy. Your little idiot style can't face me. Boy, you must be fool or you really didn't know. Mad lion, mad and I kill people too. Whether with my car or gun. Once I'm back in home, there's no place to run. No place to duck or no place to turn. So you know, say your f***ing life done.
Yeah. Lyric for lyric, KRS, we got 'em mad enthusiasm, excite the protoplasm to the audience. Or next spasm, this ain't no phantasm. Title I snatch from your favorite MC out. It's the teacher, no doubt, or rhetorically supreme. I don't go up in the mainstream, I go up in your bloodstream like the dope fiend. Me, you can never double team. That's the impossible dream. I don't lack self-esteem, I gleam. Still it seems, as I read Vibe magazine, rappers daydream about letting off steam. You know what I mean. Now when I roll up on the scene and go to the extreme on your peaches and cream team, keep your conversation to a minimal. Minded, I'm still criminal minded. If you listen, you'll find it. Anytime you wanna commit professional suicide, find my tour guide, collide where I reside, and you'll be hog-tied, crucified and drip dry. I'm amplified like the 5 o'clock free ride. You've been notified. We can take this outside, statewide, along the countryside. I'll leave you cross-eyed.
Give thanks and praise while big cliff blaze. Watch out. Hey, keep in mind who started this flow. Mad lion, know you better act like you want it. Lyrics, we flaunt it and float it. We own it. You copy, we wrote it. See? Clickety click, click. In goes the magazine. Boy, you start talk, go steal up against your spleen. Cause we don't stop, we don't stop. One shot and nail in your skin like a hammer. My grammar is great, who never underrate. I keep it nice and slippy for all your pirates. Hooray, the style I create. Mistake, I'm real, you're fake.
Yeah, they were talking loud. Now they mumble the ball, they fumble. My lyrics bump like razor stubble, double trouble. The remix, I gotcha. The funk is the master as I flex on the next rapper when I'm vexed. Checks are cashed as asses grasp facts. In a flash, long last the flavor from the blast master major. Captain, in the city general rapping, we kept it real. No sugar, no saccharine. While other reggae artists chase the platinum, we don't fear them. Yesterday they were large, today you don't hear them. Like clothes, we wear them out. Paper, we tear them, no doubt. Mad lion, come and take them out.
Double trouble, that's what you get when my blood pressure bubble. Disintegrate your body, turn it to rubble. Never want cool, you never want humble. Now it's time for the bad boys, them rumble. Mistake what? A football fumble. Now you wanna walk through the lion's jungle. Bring all your crew, bastards and bungle. That's why the lion him say
Big Daddy Rickster is down with us. G Simone is down with us. Funk Master Flex is down with us. Channel Live is down with us. My man Fat Joe is down with us. DJ Red Alert is down with us. Commissioner Gordon is down with us. Making funky music is a must. I'm number one.
you know my blood is down one. You know how we really
now truth up on the roof, letting off into the atmosphere, bringing forth fear to a spacey generation 2000 for you. Lost professor from a galaxy, with stay true to the black, but never the whole, cause the whole is something that you gotta stay out of. You know I got soul, so listen to the space funk flow from Lost Pro Black. Thoughts in my mind just enable me to go back and forth to the bank tellers, greet me with a smile, cause they love it large intergalactic style. Space, yeah, space, and I could get space, space. I'm coming next to your planet. Now everybody leery and can't understand it. Don't panic, I'm spreading like an epidemic. No, I didn't mimic, taking full to the limits without a cure. Mentality is too damn raw. Queens lounge in pound, breaking down them new laws. Not to be broken, so I leave it as a token trail blazing. Rolling through a universe staging. Act upon back, knocking out all the whack replaces. Because I'm known to get spacey. Space.
Hey yo, this your man, Lost Professor Extra P, you know what I'm saying, existing right here, right now. I'm listening to Energy 108, you know what I'm saying, my man Mastermind, just lounging for real.
Very inject, coming in correct, never pet, Vandermator coming in full set, and I that don't understand, coming through for the lounge with the breakneck plan, and man, understand and listen to my whole mission, extinguishing those, then again you get exposed to the simple fact, never will I come in a whack, Vandermator is live, then again and I attract, to see the same fact with the whole situation, bringing my mans coming through in Vandemation, space, 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 space.
Richard Correll.
Yeah, out the crooked streets of Brooklyn. Smooth the hustler, representing on Mastermind Street Jam. All day, every day, you know how it go. The Glock cocker, the block locker.
This goes out to the getting the fast way though, the cash way flow. It's all about to all the big willies around the world doing they thing. You gotta be to all the hand-to-hand brothers around the way putting time in. It's all about to all my peoples on the hill making moves, getting dope. It's the hustler, the bracelet under the sleeve, dropping it through your esophagus so you can't breathe. I bruise one, confuse one, abuse one. 257 ways to lose on Saratoga, choose one. Rips a pound hit, I shoot the gift when the sound kicks. I surround clicks so quick, my flow alone drown ships. From my royalties, crown this when I walk the ground split. MCs can't hack it, besides tennis I bring the racket. I swing it from the south to face it, turn north like my jacket. Most are non-realistic wanting, fatigues like they hunting but they really frontin'. Heard the jealous, the smooth the hustler D.I. period. Hook up from next level to recognize the phony fellas. The true blue original habitual. Money bags count a corner my kitchen table like a ritual. To all the day that they struggling 9 to 5 hard working citizens. To all the gang banging set representatives around the West Coast. To all the luxury car pushers with diamond studded women. You gotta keep. To all the rappers getting gas the real way, lyrical skill way. Peace this, I kidnap Victoria for secrets. To know who TLC creep with, I sleep with. Enemies beginning to be friendly intentionally. Brothers that mention me, I got rap locked like a penitentiary. For centuries I brung a gift with this. You dissing me, don't be ridiculous. I'm the ghetto drug prescriptionist. Hold up a sec, let's compare the rap way using illegal money stack way to show I rap. Let's suppose this track was the plate, putting them C's on a triple beam scale so I can simplify the weight. Now let's see, 32 jams, 332 raw to the gut, subtracted by 4, 28 pure to work with without the core. Now double it, multiply to sum by 2, 112 in store. All together now what you do is let your style harden and wait. Cause while I marinate with 3 keys, I bless you with the big A fist. To all the coast to coast players and hard rock gangster killers from New York. To all the upstates and downstates packing the OGs, they the original. To all the Versace wearing, fly chicks forcing it down the carrot tricking. To the whole next level, the ruckers click, lone sharks on the ass. What I'm saying is, those that wanna battle me, put up the salary. With D beats and my raps, we keep my album fat like calories. The real hustling ghetto drama street hit, go off of the top, ready to pop is what I handle beat with. So step up, it's my way on the highway. Get ready to die way, I'm made of weeks like I'm Friday. The more the merrier, the imprint condensed and packed is so intense. At your funeral, in a big close casket when they bury ya. The trigger pop, the damage your janitor, custodian, mop a drop, mop the block and pop, block and rock away. Stash the ock away, cops is a block away. The ox way, you do it proper, not the Mac releaser. What? To increase the tracker, before I let you go, I let you know that all my streets are black and the tracks, I'm back again. As for thugs, I'm a beater once upon a time, an American street librarian. To all the Brooklyn, crooked crooks, pulling capers, getting papers. To all the uptown players, rocking the butter sauce and Kangos, you gotta be. To all the Dominican waste spot owners, rocking consignment, it's all about. To all my peoples locked down and all my peoples coming home on point.
Yo, this is Royal Flush, and you listening to Mastermind on Energy 108 FM, for real.
Let's get the definition of a foul man. Let's get the definition of a foul man. Let's get the definition. Let's get the definition. Let's get the definition of a foul man. For you, bust it down for you. It's snag team bands, army suit, rams. If you live this life, you got to love it. Who's the one you trusted? Organized when staying dusted on the low key. Different, oh, we got to see me weekly, free, and roll for TVs. The land see what I see, extortion, laws, murder, No doubt in murder, murder constantly. No doubt in the discussion. Murder constantly. Murder constantly. Murder constantly. Murder constantly. Murder constantly. No doubt in the discussion. Started to bust, and if you want beef, bring it to food.
As a twist on its axis. 2 for the cream without the taxes. The Hancock relaxes. I'm bagging grams up in plastics. My moves must be made everlasting. My past changed to present prophecies. No mark of the beast push me to be a revolutionary in the street. I clone heat, holding down 50 G tones a week. Enough for the smash plans. A wise man don't speak. Cause jealousy, envy, for figure trigger bust. Evil bitches hold the key to a man's lust. I rush, trying to touch what I don't got. If I'm incarcerated, royal flush will blow your block. No doubt. Like a nuclear reaction, back down guns, is blasting, streets are cashing, late night black assassin, flush and make it happen. First sticking, I started rapping. Who's the one to blame when you elevating the game? Stress before pleasure. Get bags, so whatever, slugs and levers will have your life under pressure. Royal handmade, growing this world just like grenades. Sex to text to Uzis, niggas can't do me. Since a young child, living it corrupt, cause I'm foul, that's my style. Nigga did a bullet on the owl. Meanwhile, my little brothers on the street holding heat, busting out whatever creeps all night, cause shit's deep. New York don't sleep, diamond Rolex, cars and drinks. With minks, 5G stoves and Cuban links, eyes chink. Now I gotta get cheddar, let a shine forever, right? No doubt. Wasteland. Big Phnom. Royal Flush. Worldwide. Moving on your weak production. End up the motherfucking discussion.
Energy 108, the Mastermind Street Jam music from Royal Flush, moving on your week production. Before that, Smooth the Hustler. Hustler's theme going on with my man Marley B. Out in the east side, representing to the fullest all the time. Extra P in there with Spacey, Madline, and KRS-One, Double Trouble. Far Side with Why by Request, the remix, and Akinelli and Sadat X featuring Yvette Michelle started things off with the Loud Hangover remix. Got to keep learning how to speak. We're working on that, what's that, phonics? That phonics stuff? Hooked on phonics, yeah. I'm hooked on it, and I'm working on it. I'm definitely working on it.
New Fresh Jam.
Your energy.
Energy 108.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Fat Five. And Fat Five, mad live, blow up the spot. Fat Five, mad live, blow up the spot. Fat Five, mad live, blow up your spot.
Big Rock said it on regular beats, called SWAT. Yes, y'all.
Yes, y'all.
OGC rockin' rock, aka the Fat Five. Flip from here to Fort Knox. Reporter, monster on the loose, consider it danger. Unfamiliar, but he never makes mistakes, so calling a perfect stranger. Raw energy from where nobody knows, whether head to gut you croak. Call every swinger body blow. MP eliminator, trained in ass beating. Bring your whole squad to test me, and I still be cheating. Understand I got the upper hand. More than a man, spin me your drama. Scar on my face, but I can't only Madonna. But I come strapped from a mental, sharper than Ginsu. On down to temples, meant to bend you with a Mac 10-2. G-Trade from Ceplo PJs. These days you know the script rappers get ran through like freeway. We say you say, monotony slay. All of them cliches, so get your back broke up in 3 ways. The OGC
you must be hearing stupidly because you lost sense of direction. OGC Fab, I don't leave home without protection, or you mock murderers. The silence on that lip, the storm is so thick, we be sick of your battle shit. I thought you knew. There's a dead man list on the rise, and your name marks number 3 on the black hand side. You can't hide from the OG, the big kahuna, the nutriment drinker, drinking from Burma to Iona. So just big it up to all my massive buck your crew. Mad live like the Fab, and I'm here to show and prove.
Fat Five, mad live, blow up the spot. Fat Five, mad live, blow up the spot. Fat Five, mad live, blow up the spot.
I beats the ring, I do my thing and knock you out your shoes and socks. Here comes the thunder. The original I can rumble, stirring wonder from the under. Knock, knock, is he there? The brother with the frizzy hair who roar like a grizzly bear. We don't give a wiggy where you're from, we knock your silly hair. Sounds on your stereo. Peep my scenario, gets mine in the shining. Check sound, boy, burial. Coming like a hover, it's the S at its best. It's the trigger when I pull it, then the bullets through your vest. Yes, yes. I maintain focus on your dopest. MC and blast, whoever asks gets the closest. Now notice, a Fab 5 poet and you owe it to Starang. Gun clapper number one is small forward. Fab 5 mad live, blow up the spot. Fab 5 mad live, blow up the spot. Fab 5 mad live, blow up your spot.
Heads ain't ready for the click we got. I don't know what's going on. Sean drop bombs when I smoke several sacks of drum. Bomb like vegan, we at war with fools who choose to with ruck. That's when I come through Duke and bruise you. Who do you think you are? Bruise, batter, scar. Mask, gather two mask marks like Mardi Gras. Duck my sick, you can never step to Sean. Flipping out on punks and chumps since Decepticons. To get beyond my line of scrimmage, you risk a hearse clown. I birth frowns on people who try to get the first down. Fab 5 mad live, blow up the spot. Straight Louisville DOG, rock to the rock.
Who split your hit, your gets up in ya. Messing with these, please, chief, you must come bigger. Gun to rock through, heads look who guess who. Playtime for those few fools, toy 'em like play school, which breaks like E, achy breaky heart, hotel. Once they get a structure, the whole fell, shebang. Crazy, like Ring Ling. Brothers who bought him in Bailey Circus, I'm flipping my lid. Wicked half St. Brooklyn kids, with a bit from down under, run your wrist, still slugger. These days we crews have best run for cover.
Yes, yes, y'all.
Yes,
Stay
y'all.
tuned for the upcoming F, y'all.
F, y'all.
Nocturnal when the storm coming next, y'all.
Next,
New
y'all.
champ late, copycat the rest, y'all.
Rest,
So
y'all.
watch your chest, y'all.
Chest, y'all.
Yeah.
Word up, nocturnal in the storm.
Oh, yeah.
Nocturnal in the
Oh,
storm.
yeah.
Now it's on, yo, you been born. It's nice now.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Fab 5. Hey yo, this is the Fab 5. Yes, yes, y'all.
Yes,
East to West,
y'all.
Boy, we be doing it up on Energy 108 with Mastermind on the Mastermind Street Jam, boy.
The Mastermind Street Jam.
All the fattest joints.
Energy 108.
41st side. Yo, do it's the reals. Son, you know how it go. Out like a child, you blow. Still on the streets, though. Regulating SOs, the tunnel banger, leave your jug vein hanging. You want beat, it ain't banging down memory. You was bent, but you remember it's the infamous. Never took our shoes up when we entered stash, gas, and Cortex. Swim my Henny, leave the forehead. Stormed out a man down and made leaking on the compound. So all you fake folks to station, frontin' with those thug looks. Get your mug cookin', plus your duck took. You overlooked the fact that was real. Now I gotta take that ass to school for real. My clique down with the quick. My people's guzzling while your crew is taking sips at the ball lamping. Coming through, QB in this. What you wanna prove?
The trife life for living famous. Busting shots live is dangerous at midnight. We do it right in broad daylight. The trife life, living rough, wearing handcuffs like bracelets. 25 to life, he faced it. Got on the run, they got wasted. Mad agony, having me more vexed. Got me pulling out texts on opposite sex. The cream got me fiend for massive bill schemes. Like doing drive-bys and stretch limousines. I keep tons of guns. My on the run, pack the nickel-plated ones. Get the cheddar, however done. Got dreams, claiming king with the drug sling. Got their brain trained to sling cocaine continuously. Seriously, my brain blunted, the lie done it. We making hundreds, that's all we wanted. To see my ill mean team, seeing cream, the infamous coming out of Queens. Yo, check it.
P. Me and NOYD, we put the cheddar together so we could double the OZ. Roll like some family trees, a beanstalk. Some hustlers, naturally born with street small. Show karate, it's you and Gotti. You lift the weight, me and Noyd. A gem starving down on the plate. The mob living wild inside of New York State. The 5 gates. Shook, just let them shake while a coke bake. Chef trip, cook a bowler over the shoulder. Rick runners with the hand and pothole. A soloist get rolled over. Rappinoid taking over. Crossed over, then you got bucked in October. November, December, came out the hospital keyed up. Paralyzed from your feet up, now slow your speed up.
Got my clique ready to murder mad. You pop mad, what's the verdict? Humbly stumble on infamous. Yes, we running on your weak click. Get mad back, lay back with peak. Cooking material, but scat was rat cereal. You living though, we living you till your funeral. Assuming that
You got the heart to bust back. I'm in the cup with not one but two cats.
Yo, it's the P, realistically speaking, get left leaking. Reality bites back, I strike back, we're even. He's still breathing, make sure his heart stop beating. He bleeding on top, the concrete found indecent. Blink out when I see you, since shots is just cerebral. Go at your throat like a pit bull, stomp and feed you to the vultures. Like Greek sculptures, you're left limbless from start to finish. Your whole squad get hit hard. I run with a foul type niggas is war scar. Resembling Vietnam, infantry's the bomb. Your headquarters, we take over. My snake cool strike like that of a cobras, constrict like boas. Wrap tight around your soldiers, get closed in, trapped within the clutches of madmen.
Yo, what's the verdict about that small cat you could have murdered long back when you used to keep the gat in the engine? I'm remembering saying don't flip when the max spit, somebody bound to get hit and snitch. You know the been going for a minute, come on, you still in it, running with the team, getting that cream, do your thing. I respect that, you know that the guard's in charge whenever you involved. I know the malls on their jaw when you sleep. I know you roll deep, no sleep and more heat. Feel like cat mean nothing sweet. Word up, girl, you got me serious. Get I'm furious. What's next? That cat get clapped. The soul for reflex. The thug in the blood. For Pop Dukes, even my mom too. Held me in the arm, felt the deuce. She said no need to be afraid to bleed. Baby, please hold the heat with ease and don't pull it, just squeeze.
Your energy. Energy 108.
1, 2, 3, we gon' turn it out and make it rock to the beat and then scream and shout. Cause when we hit you with the shit we got here, we gonna blow your mind. Blow your mind. Keep it moving like this, keep it moving like that. If I die, I'ma only come back. Yo, I'm saying if you think that you can step to me wrong, don't even waste your time. Waste your time. 1, 2, 3, we gon' turn it out and make it rock to the beat and then scream and shout. Cause when we hit you with the shit we got here, we gonna blow your mind. Blow your mind. Keep it moving like this, keep it moving like that. If I die, I'ma only come back. Yo, I'm saying if you think that you can step to me wrong, don't even waste your time. Waste your time. You niggas talk shit, then abandon ship. Niggas talk shit, then they abandon ship. Niggas talk shit, then they abandon ship. Niggas talk shit, then they abandon ship.
I ate off like the assassin, now I'm blasting, I'm taking over. Stick you for your blue Range Rover. I told ya, rampage a real live soldier. Been in the game since the age of 13. A microphone fiend, so I'm gonna see my P.O. It's August the 1st, so I guess I'm a Leo. My P.O. look like Vanessa Del Rio. She pull my rap sheet just like Neo Geo.
I always roll through the forest just like a brontosaurus. Born in the month of May, so my sign is Taurus. Kick you in your face like my fucking name was Chuck Norris. Make you sing my chorus, rock to the beat and then turn into a walrus. You remain nameless, my victory remains flawless. Acting like you wild, but I know you really harmless. While your time is coming, I make the fat shit regardless.
Many niggas wanna know when the rap return. Yo, I'm getting phone calls from that nigga Howard Stern. He wants to know about my flick, mo click. The way we get down and bust nigga shit. LP after LP, we make G's. I run up in your gates and take you for your keys. I'm not lying or joking. You get broken, dead and Flatbush, back to Roanoke.
People always asking me how your shit be selling. For making shit guaranteed to bust your fucking melon. Police put me up on charges like I was a felon. There was no telling when I was striking, have you swelling? Cruising in my land, watch the police how they be jelling. Lock you up for days and got a nigga ass smelling. Yo, fuck that. You best believe there ain't no time for dwelling. If you ain't making noise, you need to kill the fucking yelling. 1, 2, 3, we gon' turn it out and make it rock to the beat and then scream and shout. Cause when we hit you with the shit we got here, we gonna blow your mind. Blow your mind. Yo, just keep it moving like this, keep it moving like that. If I die, I'ma only come back. Yo, I'm saying if you think that you can step to me wrong, don't even waste your time. Waste your time. Y'all niggas talk shit and then abandon ship. Niggas talk shit and they abandon ship. Niggas talk shit, then they abandon ship. Niggas talk shit, then they abandon ship.
Yo, I run up in your set like a New York City. I can't slip. I beat you dead with my vice grip. You're lost. That means you weigh your course. No remorse. I'm getting 5 in the sauce.
I be saddleback riding motherfuckers like a horse. Turning toss niggas all up in my applesauce. Watch me reinforce. My shit feel good like intercourse. Ever since I was a shorty rockin' Hugo Boss.
Hey, yo, boss. You just made my day. If you didn't put me on, I'd be locked like OJ. Now I'm writing rhymes, hitting shorties every day. In the forerunner, drinking ice, take a ray. I don't eat pork, I take a fish fillet. Now I'm knocking out niggas from touche. Now I'm going back around the way. I'm ripping shit like my name was Calvin Gaye.
Now I'm back
rap was more bionic like my name was Cold Fevers. Got you niggas open like a bunch of wide receivers. Time is on the meter. Go clean your act up in the cleaners. Chicken head, give me some of your chicken fajitas. I beg your pardon. I write my rhymes way past the margin. Squeeze the charmin. Peace to 1 million men marching. When you talk shit, you really don't know what you starting. Now your shit is done like a fucking empty milk carton.
It's over the 9-6. Mad shows at the Ritz. Now we got you open like Vicks. Stick it to your stomach like quicker old bricks. Fisherman hat with my brand new kicks. On the low, I still rock my jabot. See the show, I got my nickel plated 4-4. All my rough niggas open the door. Cause Boy Scout brings the records and I'm still hardcore.
Yo, when I walk street, you know my blade's a little sharper. Fuck Peter Parker, I caught you like a magic marker. Every time I hit, I always hit a little harder. Blazing to the point where niggas look a little darker. Catching suntans from my music fans, understand. Making fast shit, I always love to lend a helping hand. Organized rhyme unit like the Poison Clan. While your riders busted, I be your luxury sedan. Number one nigga in the chain of command. Breaking fool in school like my nigga Geechee Dan. Hey, yo, I see intruders on my scan. Singing at your funeral like Bobby Blue Bland. We gon' turn it out and make it bump to the beat and then scream and shout. Cause when we get you with the shit we got here, we gonna blow your mind. Blow your mind.
Energy 108.
The rules on. Tired of waiting, let's get it on.
The time has come to bring it like I never brought it. I'm being forced to wreck your fucking world and knock you off course. Rolling with the mob, infamous deep. Leave you on your porch in a mess when we creep. Come with the ruckus if you feel like getting bust. 36 in my C-lip, talons are a must. Yo, Mr. Benzino, aka rated troublemaker. Niggas bitch taker, on a block money raker. Evil lurks in the minds of so many men. That's why I'm sticking with my niggas to the end.
Hey yo, dog.
What up?
Them niggas won't get live.
Hey yo, show them how you represent 905.
I hold down the fort and transport slugs to your body. On the squeeze, I'm never tardy. You shook sons need to shut up now. Before I pop the trunk and get the what up now. Nigga, I spent shells and I'ma spend some more. Get my boogie on and leave shells on the floor. Whenever nothing to follow. Although you'll get my point, even though my points are hollow. Watch your back for the mob deep and RSO assembly. It's like Hannah Rock and Remy. And if you get envy, it'll get trendy to shoot a motherfucker even when he act friendly. War's on. I'm tired of waiting, let's get it on. Now or later, right now the war's on. Yo, I'm tired of waiting, let's get it on. Now or later, right now the war's on. I'm tired of waiting, let's get it on. Now or later, right now the war's on. Yo, I'm tired of waiting, let's get it on. Check it out, the war's on, motherfucker. Combine the elements, mob deep, so prime shit. Niggas is left blindfolded, reminded how real shit can get. Live in time at USA, New York City, if you wanna be exact. A soldier story for Queens if you look closer on the map. Reptilians taught me how to bust my gap. Mentally fucked the guard, then left me to take my earth back. Time for revolutionary acts. Yo, have you shut the tracks? I'll find the facts. Now we got Illuminati on our backs. Check and see if we do crimes or pay tax. The war is on, no time to lax. Build the arsenal, got word back from Apostle. Unoriginal man, got plans colossal. Underlay, nigga get your shit straight. Fuck a pearly white gate, all that bullshit is fake. The only gates I see, if they sending go upstate. Never that, I'm here to show the world where my head's at. Forever fed till the Aryans on their deathbed. A rebel, I wear the universal flag symbol. The positive and negative war will soon kindle. Fucking at the government like Terminator 2.
Yo, I'm fixing across the street, then I seize my enemy. This jealous motherfucker who pretends to be a friend of me said he's got static with my whole team. I mean, he's looking like he's reaching. I broke into the streets, then shots licked off as I dipped off, pissed off, running up the block till I heard no more shots. Now, what the fuck is gonna come of this? On the strip, they miss, he's going first on my list. Call a piece so we can map out the plan. 1 hour later, I'm getting up in the van. Planets, drive around the block and catch them sleeping. The war is on, kid, and it won't last through the weekend. I'ma check around until I catch him. Out there, pumping on the block without his weapon. It's only fair I get revenge, cause revenge is so sweet when you live the lifestyles of the street.
The war's on. I'm tired of waiting, let's get it on. Now or later, right now the war's on. I'm tired of waiting, let's get it on. Now or later, right now the war's on. I'm tired of waiting, let's get it on. Now or later, right now the war's on. I'm tired of waiting, let's get it on, nigga. Word up, yo, what? Yo, word up, son. Check it out, son. Hit him with the body blow. No doubt, like the lie.
Energy 108, the Mastermind Street Jam music from RSO featuring Mobb Deep, Warzone, Busta Rhymes, and Rampage, Bandit Ship, Big Noid, and Mobb Deep, Recognize and Realize Part 2. And we started things off with the Fab Five, Helter Skelter, and the OGCs with LaFleur, the remix. That just about does it for yours truly, Mastermind Maker.
Always heard first on Energy 108.
Saratoga, under the non-scope looker. To get together rich, Big Willie, Duck Meat and Booker. The gun face off. The street smart nigga that got rid of the serial numbers off the burners. To throw the DA trace on. Ruckus click caused the misery. The Mississippi revenge calculator that went down in history. You dissing me, better relax and calm that. I sit back when niggas roll rhymes, I'll be like, where your arm at?
It's a leaky leak world and I don't give a fuck. All I wanna do is puff that purple stuff. The sun ain't never shine on my block. It's like a permanent eclipse. The only light is gun sparks. Fighting on the premises that you want to be yours. Get you in the staircase. Your floor's 8, but you won't make it past 4. I'm sick and tired of niggas acting high fashion, slacking and not reacting. Y'all niggas know what time it is. Leaving niggas without no watches when I drop the shit about hustling. Y'all niggas know who rhyme it is. You get the head from. Bathroom, the book, the rap, the track, the wax, the store, the headphone. The dead zone, the C's get done since. The radius times the square root equals the dead motherfucker in my circumference. The shit max, Max dressed in black leather, come through for building jack dead up for that crap. All day I dream about guns, money, cars, and bitches. Those you niggas who want my bitches, I got something for 'em. In 96 you gotta be trife or die. That's how it is on the streets of SI. Ain't gonna be trusted alive. Niggas I run with, name and tell is fucking. Hooded up with the vest, gun cock, ready to buck shit. Under the building making cracking dope sales. And Jiggy Jig won't stop us from getting the dope for real.
Money clips and fat stacks makes the world go round.
What makes the world go round?
Alcohol and marijuana makes the world go round.
What makes the world go round?
Cocaine, lactose, and boiling water makes the world go round.
What makes the world go round?
Big guns, money, and pussy makes the world go round.
What makes the world go round?
Shaolin, Stapleton, born and raised the battleground. It's where we spend most of our days. I lick a shot for niggas slinging cooked up rocks to make the profit. So all y'all crap niggas need to stop it. I see my peeps transform like Autobots. Optimus Prime ass niggas mad cause we making figures. We can't be eliminated. The world will be contaminated once the GP plague is activated.
Shot 20 shells, 20 heads fell. 20 bodies just wrapped, 20 churches rung that fell. The bitch fucker, the thug cop ducker. The Glock under my belt tucker, the wild motherfucker. My lifestyle's maxing, taxing, the pistol whipping. Girl, come here, bitch slapping, carjacking. Contact carrier, contract arrangement. $100,000 hit, body to cement. Get the
Bet your life, nigga, on 2 red and 1 green dice for 56 nickels. I get nice when pay the price. A hot Rolex filled with ice wraps around my wrist. A gorilla in the midst with a 4-5 kill you and your bitch. Get you open like bullet wounds, deadly like toxic fumes. Set my peoples off with boom when the visitor move through rubber balloons. Whack rappers and listeners, this flow y'all can't follow with. Put my records out on Virgin, cause my styles be selling.
Brooklyn and Shaolin, putting the hurtin' in front of the curtain, hooking the crook, and I'm taking it uptown, back downtown like Fulton. I house the best. When I be rapping, I be packing so many niggas in clubs. Fire marshals got me on house arrest. Run, I caution it. I bless so many mics after I die. Niggas will cut my hand off an auction. 1970 something, February 8th. This little nigga be packing big, but I ain't got faith to hustle.
Fuck slugs and drugs make the world go round.
What makes the world go round?
And a pistol bullet, the grips who make the world go round.
What makes the world go round?
Murderers and carjackers make the world go round.
What makes the world go round?
State to state, pushing weight, make the world go round.
What makes the world go round, 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 round? Brooklyn, Brownsville makes the world go round. Shaolin, Stapleton makes the world go round.
Check this out, this is OC, chilling with my man Mastermind, you know what I'm saying? Checking out the Mastermind Street Jam, Energy 108, representing hip hop to the fullest. One love.
Wild cowboy. Listen to the cowboy. A lot of kids stuck up to the bad man, just puffed out with your head wide open, hoping to spot a tip in this frame. I lived and died by the burning flame of the OK Corral. Cowboy style from Dakotas on down to Colorado. Big kids from uptown riding in the Tahoe. Saloon setting, kids cowboys. You never bring decoys if you wanna make real noise. The bigger the stick, the bigger the fire. I never hit a man in the back. A coward acts like that. Lay out my black hat, cause I feel like the bad man. Who wants the rise? Cause he's the Manhattan. Let's walk the 30 paces on the narrow faces. Oh, it's the Marshall Coupe, and I love how we doing this. Women saying don't get hurt, and I ain't planning on it. 10 steps taken as I hit the blam factor. Is Dick the hacker or Death the benefactor? We gon' put it in the dirt like Cousin Harold from the Menace. I'm in this, the witness on the Great White Trail. I'm 10 times as bad as John Wayne could ever be. Plus I'm down with the Indians, we have to begin it again. I'm responsible for that body in the alley. I Louisiana purchase that for Remy's purchase and hard to serve tequila. Where the dancing girls? Let's get right as the story unfurls. Piano man, keep playing, keep them keys banging. Fiddle man did 3 graves, there's gonna be a hanging. Now this right here ain't for the youth to see. A grown man, a scout swinging from a tree. Stroll through the hood with the cowboy status. It's the up top famous downtown baddest. Stroll through the hood with the cowboy status. It's the up top famous downtown baddest. So Tex was the biggest hombre from the project. Had all the work locked down, so he thought. But he drank and got loose slip. Let him out a loose slip. Stripped of his game and got himself murdered. Thoughts of him, my past are like the Buffalo. Got himself rocked in the 96 brand new Acura. Said it was lightning blow, blew out the back mirror. You know what I'm saying, Dick? Check it out. They say that cowboys never die, they just ride off into the sun. A little tale from Sadat X to how the world was won. Check it out. Remember this, gunslingers, dead ringers with presidents. It's found tied in no explanation how they died. Yo, the great Sadat X, the high flame drifter, no question. You'll never be this raw. My crew's representing for BK. Don't play or you might have to get crime watch around your room. My crew's representing for BK. Don't play or you might have to get crime watch away. Cause Brooklyn keep on taking it, still from way back. Black, trying to get that fortune like Sajak. They must leave 20 reasons you can't win it. Rap, you're hopeless. Here's the top 10. 10's very simple and plain as petty crime. It was only 94 when you wrote your first rhyme. And now you think you got more skill and power tools, but never could your feet fit up in our shoes. You only got one delivery. One-dimensional rappers is dead as chivalry. You only got one delivery. One-dimensional rappers is dead as chivalry. Don't get your spot blown up, block thrown up. I lift MCs to tone up, rip your zone up. I got more flavors than women's dush. Make ends with Mexicans and rock dreads and flat bush. Nah, you can't see mine, can't find mine, can't do mine. Step to mine, where my crew find. I'm frontin' that we get in his. You don't wanna get beat and box like this. You ain't wrong cause you run with wild kids. Now the chorus gonna tell you what 8 and 7 is. Check it. 8, you're a sucker. 7 is. Check it. 8, you're a sucker. 7 is. Check it. 8, you're a sucker. 7 motherfucker. 8, you're a sucker. 7 motherfucker. Check it. 8, you're a sucker. 7 motherfucker. 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 6. I bury that's like Holly. All up on tracks like a trolley, my golly, like Bob Marley. We jamming by all means, and real gangsters don't talk in magazines. 5. Never judge a rapper by the song you make. Some of the coolest rappers drop you in the late. And on the other hand, some of them screaming keep it real. They video the only time they ever stick. 4. You don't
faze me. This ain't start. I wear your car, beef that's going on in all these spots and parking lots. Let's pop more than shots. Funny, dummy, lyrics don't stun me. If I was your only pair of pants, you still couldn't run me. Out this rap game, it's INC for life. Gonna know soon, cause Brownsville's strife. All up in the mix like blenders, offenders, life enders, whatever genders, never surrenders. Coming at you, gonna catch you, and when we find you, don't lose count, let me remind you.
At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker.
1, 2, this be number Trey. You might be in the game, but I don't think you wanna play. I'm coming with the flay, getting more rich than Bay. I say this Master Jam more than Jay. And 2 is my crew is coming with the newest. Can't do us, you knock your teeth out trying to chew us. You wanna step to us, come clean on the scene without the drama. My team making all the green. I'm in your spleen, no afro but mad sheen. In my ride, young teen girls getting seen every day, just like Mary J. I'm going downtown Brooklyn when niggas play. The corners and blocks like street lamps. I beat champs and rapping. Leaving is wondering what happened. And that be the number one reason you can't flow. But bring back them other 2 to let them know.
At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker. At 8, you're a sucker. At 7, a motherfucker.
Till the break of your spine. When I'm taking your mind to the next level, lyrically my specimen is hard for you to see or examine. I dig it. I contaminate the 2-inch tape. Sesame in my pH state stimulate the MIC ministry. Enemies who enter my chemistry can't cope. I'm dope like crack, but I broke your back. So bust the cerebral attack. Bahamadia, where you at? When we're coming live from the area 215, the land of the master plan, where the brother scam and connive. Well, it's the contraband clan. I'm hailing from the brotherly land. I stand sharp. It started or began at the park, expanded years and grew into careers. Competition, what? I cut them like shears, it's the unrehabilitatable, unfrustratable. I got to get mine, and that's non-negotiable. So put me on like Donna Caron, and come on.
When I present my raps on the tracks, kids be like, who that? Sugar be getting oral with the foreign format. The competition better be easing back. Like receding hairlines on they pops when I drops. Dialect perfected with 2 lines connected. From life into my records like a CPR method. Funk provides my rhymes with a mouse suppressing. Injected like morphine in each lines. DNA genes to come off like silk screen on tank tops. I rank top notch and make black vinyl turn butterscotch and coloration for my creations. Captivating on sea level. My rip stays real at the E levels. It's the tune.
Your style is like that of the La Cosa Nostra. In between my pelvic and my belt, a time to holster. Most of y'all with your legislation. Revoke your recitation and continue with my recitation of the opinions in my dominion. The throne one as a king from Philadelphia, I'm not Virginian. Icons, I would just strangle just like a python. You're less than I leave you desolate like Saigon. M to the hill. I show the skill. If your girl cool stinks, she need to do some acid jail. A rebel with the trouble like my man Bobby Seale, or like the youngsters in Gangstar. I got the mass appeal. I spill words when they'll blur, still splurge. What's up, the PR star? Snooker in the merge. Come up to the surface, then once it gets submerged, to go below because my flow got the urge. Now we can talk with tongues and spark with the guns. However you want it, Allah protects me when confronted. In duck season with all these quacks, they get hunted. If you was a field goal, well then I'm funny. I drop topics all on your optics. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was still on the prophets. Here's a Bobby, but not Lorraine. You feel the pain still from 68 Fab. The West Oak Lane fills with Cosmic Kev. Baran, that's my man. Styles I got 7 MPPs, your Van Dam. My lyric quota, we call the soul the water, and all the voters, even up in Minnesota. Since the roots put me on, I remain calm and stand strong. From 215, it's the dawn.
The Mastermind Street Jam.
All the fattest joints.
Energy 108.
Yo, what's up? You know what I'm saying? It's Mad Skills representing hip-hop to the fullest. Right here with my man, the Mastermind, on the Techniques one time. Street Jams on Energy 108.
Who done passed you a type and got you thinking you the styles I be inking get you hyper when I get in attack tracks. Cruise and snooze on the whack. My crew's in the back, getting blitzed like a slow quarterback. No introduction needed, this be the jam. Which occurs every time that the mic hits my hand. Now understand, me not making MCs sweat. It's like seeing a brother selling a vinyl cord, chilling in a short set. Check the drill when you see me right your wheel, making cheese like grill. Here to test mic skill. When I rhyme, real heads get the shivers. Here comes that name Shakur, signed, sealed, and delivered to your tape deck. CDs and crossfaders. Beats be hard like blowing bubbles with narrators. Don't front like you don't know who I am. Fully equipped, the mic rip, rubber, here comes the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. Money you be like, oh, that's the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. Kid, you be like, oh, that's the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. Yo, you be like, oh, that's the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. You be like, oh, that's the jam. Now if you wanna play around, don't play with me. You can play with A's, I'm putting H's in your IVs. Bum raps over drum taps. Rappers jumping up in my face like the ground was covered with thumbtacks. I'm in your face like Mace. Take a taste, make a crowd vibrate like a device on my waist. Skills mad, will he be bad? Ask your dad, don't front. He know about the skills that I had. Or should I say got, cause my mic's still hot. Back up in shot one, I'm letting off bird shots. I take MCs, wake them up out they sleep. Pour ammonia in they face, slap them with some microphone techniques. After that, retire, cause I'm iller. And my lyrics are thicker than Richard Pryor. One time for my crew, two times for the band. Giving crew suntans, make way for the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. Yo, you be like, oh, that's the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. Kid, you be like, oh, that's the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. Yo, you be like, oh, that's the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. You be like, oh, that's the jam. Yeah, the jam has arrived, so all that garbage can walk. Before I personally interact with that like box talk. So pass the steel when I flex on the rails, you know the deal. That skills be up in dips like Massingale. Douche, ass douche, who get loose. Funk monkey times 5, getting live, call a truce. From Compton to Maine, I tear out the frame. I don't battle, I show how to play the crime game like last November. When your man got dismembered, it was me, I ate his meat, and it lasted through the winter. So enter, cause yo, I've been bombing since 91 when I started destroying MC's confidence. So peace to the real MCs, Kalonji, the mind bender, and my man Lonnie B. Javon, Little Rock, Big Street, my man. Round with skills, you get caught up in the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. You'll be like, oh, that's the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. Kid, you'll be like, oh, that's the jam. When the mic hits my hand, you know I'm gonna slam. Yo, you like, that's the jam.
Yeah, Ice-T back up in here, 1996, representing Fool, returning to Brazil, yeah. You know what I'm saying? This is going after all the hardcore hustlers and players out there, you know what I'm saying? Regulating, checking that money, you know? Check the technique. Saturday night in LA, time to play. My beat was humming like a vibrator, gotta make crime pay. I'm packing 2 gas and I wish I could carry more. Might sound crazy, but I ran out of slugs before a year. I know the feds watch me, but my vest clashes hard with Versace. So I'm just rolling in the black 500. I used to low ride, now it's just for fun. I had 5 cars, but now I got 1. Hard to keep it ballin' when you're on the run. I got 2 keys in my trunk and a shovel. Stepped on them once, so now I got double. This shuffle's for drama. Need I say more? Got a fat ass spot under my passenger floor. That's for the other strap, the automatic type. Gotta keep it close in case things get hyped. Got a freak in jail, she didn't mention it 3. I'ma have to roll solo till they set her free. Plus I got some other crimies down true G's, but they got all day. So now it's just me, and I'ma keep this slang until the day I die. I can't go straight and won't even try. I'm stuck in the game, so don't ask me why. It's life in LA.
I go ride and I sag and cut. I cover my face with the rag and butt.
Long Beach and Compton or some damn
towns, but South Central LA, that's where it goes down. Now brothers like that credit and they like to get their loans on. So I hooked up with my boy who turns them phones on. He told me about this brother who won't pay. He also said he knew exactly where the stupid suckers stay. So I went and got some homies I hang with, some crazy brothers who I used to bang with. We took a trip to his crib. I snatched his girl and his kids, and this is what we did. I tied they punk up. I cracked the safe with an axe and in the phones we cut. I didn't hurt his wife, but I promised next time that I would take her life. I shot a brother in his neck for disrespect. Caught a body, got a murder in Miami for a shootout at a party. Got blood in my trunk from a punk who squealed. Had a partner tried to play me in his cap, I peeled. Now I rest with my finger on my heater, hand on my beeper, a light sleeper. I low ride and I sag and cuss. I cover my face with the rag and brush. Frisco and Oakland are some downtowns, but South Central LA, that's where it goes down. I used to slang enough water you could